Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
And I'm Joseph Lin. And recently I read this article, this research that was done recently, and it's stunning. 真的是要用这个字来讲，因为实在太可怕的一个研究报告。When you ride a bike, okay, and a lot of people here in Taiwan ride a bike, and if you don't use a mask while you're riding a bike, it's equivalent of having 400 secondhand smokes around you.That's how bad the air is going to be. 听说呢，一个研究里面没戴口罩骑机车的话，就等于是你吸了400根二手烟的这个环境。Yeah， 相信吗？有可能哦，因为这个毒气真的是 very toxic。
挺严重的。
Yeah. So today through this lesson, we want to remind especially motorcyclists that you need to wear a mask and also learn a little bit of Hakka right here. So let's go ahead and talk about this. 我觉得我们顺便呢，就是呼吁大家骑机车要戴口罩，然后顺便也学一些客家话好了。机车怎么说？
机车。
机车。
要有人讲 autobike。Autobike
也可以，是不是？
就是骑车就会骑车。
骑车就是 traditional way 机车。Okay, that's motorbike, but autobike, which actually autobike is a Japanese term, and Taiwanese say it the same way, and then now Hakka same thing too. Okay, so if you're riding a bike, you should wear a mask. 口罩。
嘴拉呗。
嘴拉呗。
就是把嘴封住。
嘴。
嘴
盖住那样子。嘴拉呗。That's a mask. And secondhand smoke.
泥树烟
okay. 二手烟 okay, that's secondhand smoke. And here's another finding from the research that if you put a mask on while you're riding a bike, you can actually filter out at least a third of the smoke and particles. 所以听说戴口罩的话可以减少吸入1/3的致癌物啦。然后呢，还有一个更严重的啦，是在停在红绿灯的时候所吸入的废气呢，又比你在骑机车的时候还要高出1倍。That's right. So when you're parked in front of a red light, the smoke that you're inhaling is actually twice as much as when you're actually riding the bike. So that means when you're parked in front of a red light, you should definitely have that mask on. 千万不要把口罩拿下来。红绿灯的时候。
用抽茶好嘞。
抽茶是什么？
坐车啊，
坐车会比较好一点。
视察啊，
对，
自己开车啊。
没错 ，Alice 有骑机车吗？
视察。
难怪看起来这么健康。So there you have it. That's today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么Hakka？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.